Hello mga mahal! Samahan niyo akong i-unbox itong C315 Max Gaming Monitor from Prism Plus. Prism Plus is the #1 monitor brand sa Singapore na nag-branch out na sa Philippines. Kaya sobrang excited akong i-try itong monitor nila. Tara, unbox na natin!
That the brothers on the rise now. Endless celebrations all in my house. Levitating now, I'm super duper.
So we have here the mount for the monitor. Lalagay natin yan mamaya.
I know I'm coming with it. You were sitting, you were watching, I was handling my business. Now I got the ball like Harry Potter playing Quidditch. Business is humongous, see one thing that happens in it. Damn man, I'm all that, yeah I'm all that. I'm looking for that whip, yeah that what you call that. Blow up in the summer, have them yelling fall back. And I've always been ahead, looking at the ball cap. Till I came in the game like.
I think hindi ko kaya ito buhatin. Sobrang laki niya. Let's call a friend. Again, this is C315 Max Curve 4K monitor. This is worth 16,999 in pesos with 31.5-inch curved display. On the lower side of the monitor, we have here the buttons, which is the menu, up and down buttons, exit, and power. You can always change your display from gaming, FPS, RTS, standard, photo, and movie. Even though this is a 1500R curvative, you can still flip it up and down. Another specs that I like about this monitor is that it has 4K UHD resolution and 120 plus sRGB color gamut, which fits perfectly for my needs because I always edit my photos on Photoshop. I like that this monitor is so big that it fits 2 applications on my screen, which I really need because I'm a Facebook streamer. Look how smooth my game is with 60Hz refresh rate and high dynamic range HDR 400. This really is a must for us gamers.
Down and out.
If you're watching this, you should reward yourself this Christmas a Prism Plus monitor. You can buy the same monitor as mine using the link in the description box below.